Welcome back, my friends, and happy Thursday. We have almost made it to the weekend, but today I'm coming at you with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead. But real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. And as always, everything I discuss will be linked down in the description box below. I do want to ask that if these job leads are helpful and if you are enjoying them, please give this video a thumbs up like button and please share with all your friends and family members. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Fundworks. Now, Fundworks is a company that provides alternative financing to small businesses and merchants. They focus on healthy and challenged companies. So they basically give out loans, small business loans to companies to get started. And they are looking for a data entry representative. It says their data entry clerk will be processing and analyzing their daily incoming submissions of applications from their external customers. So you'll ensure that all required documents are submitted, that there is no missing information. You'll create entries in the internal system, accurately entering or inputting the business and owner information. You'll pull and review commercial and consumer credit reports. You'll process 100+ submissions a day. You'll communicate effectively throughout the analysis review, and you'll occasionally perform other duties as assigned by management. So while this does not require any high school diploma or degree, they do want someone who is highly detailed, oriented, and comfortable dealing with numbers, someone who has great organizational skills and can prioritize workload, someone who has strong verbal and written communication skills, and someone who can be resourceful, willing to take on assignments as needed to help the team. It says 1 to 3 years of previous financial service underwriting or processing experience is preferred, but that is not required. Now, to be a straight data entry job, this does pay well. It pays $16 to $18 an hour, and of course, pay is dependent on location and experience. They also offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life insurance, 401k, and paid time off. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.